Unlocking the meaning. What does title run really mean? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in the context of sports, competitions, or even in casual conversations. Title run. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and why it might be a handy phrase to add to your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Title run is a compound noun consisting of two words, title and run. Title refers to a championship or an honor in a competition. It could be in sports, a tournament, or any other competitive field. Run, in this context, does not mean to move quickly on foot. Instead, it refers to a sustained effort or performance over a period. When put together, title run refers to a team's or individual's concerted effort to win a championship or attain a top position in a competition. It's the journey and the struggle to reach the top. Let's see how title run can be used in sentences. 1. The basketball team is on an impressive title run this season, winning game after game. 2. Here, title run refers to the basketball team's consistent winning streak in their quest for a championship. 3. With her excellent performance in the preliminary rounds, the young athlete is clearly making a title run. 4. In this sentence, title run describes the athlete's strong performance aiming for a top spot. You'll often hear title run used in contexts related to sports, describing a team's or athlete's journey towards a championship, competitions, in gaming, debates, or any other form of competition. Business, sometimes, it's used metaphorically to describe a company striving to be the best in the market. And that's a wrap on title run. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and helped you understand how and when to use it. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding nuances like these can really amp up your communication skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.